Anybody want to go first? I do. I think I look fabulous. Yeah, walking the runway. Yeah. Yeah, get the shot, get the shot, get that shot, get that shot. Don't forget to get that shot. Yeah, get that camera. Get the camera. Take a picture of me. Yeah, I think I look famous. I'm so pretty today. Okay. Going back. Who's next? Looks like Smiley's next. Yeah. I'm ready. I'm ready for anything. Okay. Strolling down the runway. Woohoo! Everybody look. I'm the most cool. Don't forget, I'm the most cool. Yeah. And you gotta say it in every minute. Everybody gotta. Don't forget to say your favorite in the comments. Yeah, I think I look the best. Don't even care about Mrs. Costume, the most fancy one. I'm the most cool. So, I need to show off some more. Somebody's gonna be taking pictures of me, so yeah. Yeah. Next. Just walking away. Yeah. I got another chance. Again. Okay, now nobody knows. This is secret. Oh, no. Gotta hide. Soon. Just act normal. Yeah. So, I'm gonna name all of the hens that I can think of right now. Costume, me, of course, Smiley, and that's all. So, yeah. Making sure there's no more food left, because I love my food. Yeah. So, turning around. Gonna see you later. Hey, fine. I'll let you go. Okay. Oh yeah, now it's my turn. I'm like a second version of costume, but I think I have more black. I'm like the opposite. She has mostly white. I have mostly black. Okay. Just look at me. I'm the most beautiful. Don't listen to Smiley. Don't listen to Costume. Don't forget to subscribe with only 4 subscribers. We will go back to the farm in the summer. Yes. we are gonna have another video with only 4 subscribers in each video. Yeah. I'm just gonna show you everything. Don't forget, do not ever talk and walk like a chicken unless you're doing the chicken dance. Okay? Bet you haven't seen a talking chicken before. Yeah. My turn. Do we want to both do it? Yeah. Let's look for seed. I'm gonna go look for some more seed. What should I do right now? I've already went with the mirror. Kind of gotten bored. Maybe I'll do the mirror again and talk all about it. So, don't forget to put in the comments the top 10 coolest things about being a chicken. Number 1, we have feathers. Number 2, we don't need boys to lay our eggs. Number 3, our chicks look amazing. Number 4, there's more than one species. And number 5, we all have our unique kinds of feathers. And don't forget number 6, we get to there's some in the wild and some in kept as pets. And we are really good at the chicken dance. Oh, and don't forget, we are the best at not using strong legs. Get it? 'Cause chicken legs? Yeah. That's a joke I saw on a TV show. When we're done, I think we should chillax and watch some more Nature Road. Yeah. Yeah, don't forget, I don't even know if that was 10. I just said random things. And we don't just have feathers, we also have legs that don't really have feathers. I don't think they have feathers. Me neither. And why do we not have any more seed? I want seed. And we go and watch Nature Road first. Nah, let's just wait around for a little. I want to see the chickies again. Maybe not. Maybe. Sometime. I saw that they were playing with chickies. And it looks fun. Our chickies. So, I think I should win. I think everybody should win a beauty contest. Agree? Yeah, agree. Okay. Now, it's only us, I think. So, now, we always have to watch. Don't forget to watch every Nature Road episode in order. Don't forget. And we have a TV. Don't forget that either. And don't forget that if you have a chicken, tell us their name and show and tell us what the colors they are, or just show a picture? So, I know everything about chickens. I know a lot of things. The only thing I don't know is what chicken tastes like, which I don't want to know. And I think that it's cool because we're cool because we don't have to have boys, to lay our eggs. Yeah. I think that Zoey's pretty nice. I just don't want her to eat me. We're gonna be doing ring.